Have you ever felt the urge to just pack a bag, buy a one-way ticket, and disappear into the world, with no one to wait for, no compromises to make, and no plans to stick to except your own? That's the magic of solo travel. In 2025, this isn't just a growing trend. It's a full-on global movement. With smarter technology, safer destinations, and a surge of people choosing independence over routine, solo travel is more rewarding, accessible, and exciting than ever before. Whether you're looking for self-discovery, cultural exploration, or a chance to escape the noise, this guide is your all-in-one companion for mastering solo travel this year. Solo travel in 2025 has never been more practical or empowering. Gone are the days when traveling alone seemed scary or lonely. Now, it's a symbol of freedom and confidence. Thanks to new apps, smart gadgets, and a connected world, travelers can go virtually anywhere while staying safe and informed. From AI-powered translators to real-time itinerary apps, solo adventurers are better equipped than ever. The benefits of traveling solo are countless. You set your own pace, follow your own interests, and often end up forming deeper connections with the destination, with locals, and most importantly, with yourself. You become more open to new experiences and learn to trust your intuition, making every journey a lesson in personal growth. Before diving into the top destinations for solo travel in 2025, let's first talk about some essential tips. First, plan smart but stay flexible. Apps like Skyscanner, Hopper, and Roam2Rayo can help you find the best deals while giving you room to pivot your plans. Always keep some unstructured time in your schedule. You never know when you'll stumble across something amazing. Second, pack light and right. Carry versatile clothing, a universal adapter, a solid pair of walking shoes, and a backup battery. Keep your valuables secure and only bring what you truly need. Third, staying connected is crucial. Use an eSIM or international data plan so your phone works everywhere. Apps like Google Maps, Translate, and WhatsApp are essentials, while safety apps like GeoSure and Safe give real-time alerts. Fourth, when it comes to accommodation, look for safe and social places. Hostels, boutique hotels, and verified Airbnb stays are popular among solo travelers. Look for properties with strong reviews and social spaces where you can meet fellow travelers. Fifth, embrace group activities. Joining walking tours, local workshops, or even cooking classes can help you connect with others while keeping the benefits of solo travel. Lastly, always trust your instincts. If something feels off, walk away. Share your location with a trusted contact, and avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar places. Safety should always come first. Now let's explore the best destinations for solo travelers in 2025. First on the list is Kyoto, Japan, a peaceful city where tradition meets modern comfort. Whether you're exploring bamboo forests, visiting ancient shrines, or indulging in sushi, Kyoto is ideal for those seeking tranquility and culture. Japan's transportation is efficient, and safety levels are among the highest in the world. Next is Lisbon, Portugal, a vibrant coastal capital that mixes history with a youthful energy. From trams winding through colorful neighborhoods to beach escapes nearby, Lisbon is both beautiful and budget-friendly, with a thriving digital nomad scene. For adrenaline junkies, Queenstown in New Zealand is a solo traveler's dream. Known as the adventure capital of the world, this scenic town offers everything from bungee jumping to glacier hikes. Locals are friendly, and the backpacking culture makes it easy to meet others on the road. Medellin, Colombia is another rising star. With its spring-like weather year-round, lush hills, and lively culture, Medellin is attracting more solo travelers than ever before. The city has improved dramatically in terms of safety and infrastructure and is now a hub for creative and curious explorers. No solo travel list is complete without Bali, Indonesia. Whether you're into yoga, surfing, or simply soaking in tropical sunsets, Bali offers something for every type of traveler. Ubud is great for wellness retreats, while Canggu is a hub for freelancers and content creators. With affordable living and endless cafes, Bali remains a solo traveler's paradise. Another amazing destination is Reykjavik, Iceland. Solo travelers here are treated to jaw-dropping landscapes. Think waterfalls, geysers, and the northern lights. Iceland is one of the safest countries in the world and perfect for nature lovers. Chiang Mai in northern Thailand is another gem, known for its peaceful temples, spicy street food, and slow pace of life. Chiang Mai draws solo travelers looking to relax and immerse themselves in Thai culture. With many co-working spaces and a welcoming expat community, it's easy to settle in and make connections. These destinations are not only beautiful but also ideal for those traveling alone thanks to their safety, affordability, and welcoming atmosphere. In 2025, solo travelers also benefit from tech tools that make life easier. iTravel assistants like Roamer or Wayfinder build real-time itineraries. Smart translators eliminate language barriers in seconds. Smart insurance apps like SafeWing and augmented reality maps make navigating a breeze. With just your smartphone, you can book a last-minute stay, discover hidden spots, or even video chat with a local guide halfway across the world. While solo travel offers freedom, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Don't overplan every hour. Leave space for unexpected discoveries. Don't isolate yourself the whole time. Join meetups, local tours, or hostel activities. Don't ignore cultural norms. Research before you go and always show respect. And above all, don't skip travel insurance. It's your safety net in case things go wrong. A smart traveler is a prepared traveler. Solo travel is more than just a vacation. It's a powerful path to self-discovery. You learn how to navigate challenges, adapt to the unknown, and enjoy your own company. You'll return not only with memories and photos, but with a stronger sense of who you are and what you're capable of. There's nothing quite like waking up in a new city, with the whole day ahead of you and no one's expectations to meet but your own. So whether you're craving the digital detox in Bali, a scenic escape in Iceland, or a cultural immersion in Japan, 2025 is your year to go solo. Trust yourself, plan smart, and embrace the adventure. There's a big world out there, and it's ready to meet you. If this guide inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on solo travel and the best destinations worldwide. Leave a comment below and tell us, if you could go anywhere alone in 2025, where would it be? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay bold, and keep exploring.